Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This video is going to be very interesting. If you have been a watcher of my channel for quite some time now, you'll know that I've never purchased, bought, used a beauty blender. In the 10 to 11 years that I've been doing my makeup, not once have I bought a beauty blender. I just felt like it was too much money. You guys know that my favorite beauty sponge to use thus far has been the Shop Miss A Paw Charity sponge. That's the pink one. Here's an example. It's dirty. Now the issue with those is consistency. Sometimes you'll get a batch that's good. Sometimes you'll get a batch that's more dense, and it's just never the same throughout. Now the very first sponge that I bought from them was La Freaking Jit. I was like, what? And I remember someone else on YouTube that had said that it was an exact beauty blender dupe, but it was only like $1 and something cents. So here we have the freaking beauty blender. I cannot believe when I even bought this thing, I was just like, do I really want to do this right now? Am I really about to do this? But I feel like it's time. It's time for me to test it out and see what the hype is all about, because there's some people who swear this is the best thing and there is nothing that even comes close to it at all. I'm going to open it up and feel it. I've never actually felt a beauty blender ever. Okay. You want to know what, oh my god, this is crazy. You want to know what this feels like? That very first Shop Miss A Paw Charity sponge that I got, that was an exact dupe to this. I've purchased multiple of the same sponge from them and was never able to get it to that initial feel and that initial density, and this feels exactly like it. I would not be surprised if Beauty Blender hit them up like, hey, we need you to change your formulation or whatever you have going on because it's too close to ours. This feels like that very first Shop Miss A sponge. Okay, anyway, I went ahead and I wet the Beauty Blender, and I feel like it doesn't get as big as my Shop Miss A sponges do. This one is a little bit down. Oh yeah, see the difference? This is more of a rounder teardrop, and this is more of an elongated teardrop. Look at Youkeyy all fancy using a beauty blender. Okay, bouncy, soft. I almost feel like that initial Shop Miss A sponge is a little bit softer. Hey, I mean, I don't really think I notice a difference as far as the blendability of my foundation or the finish, really. It feels almost like fabric-like, which is what I liked about that very first Shop Miss A sponge that I got. But all the other ones I've purchased from them didn't have that same almost fabric-like feel. Let me not call it fabric, like almost like a very smooth velvety feel, kind of, but still kind of fabricy. I don't know how to explain it. I think I'm gonna keep the eyes pretty basic. I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C13. I'm taking this Ofra and Francesca Tellett Gilded palette. These are bronzers, but I'm going to use them as eyeshadow. I'm picking up this shade called Bronzato. That's how it sounds to me. Placing that on the outer portion of the eye. And I'm also extending it up into and above the crease. Now I'm going to take the shade called Bisque, which is the lighter of the two. I'm placing that on the inner corner. This one has a bit of a sheen to it, which I was not prepared for. See, such a nice, simple, beginner-friendly look. I'm going to go back into Bronzato and just bring it in a little bit. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Tan. Why this concealer is making my skin burn, I do not know. I'm gonna go re-wet the Beauty Blender. And I think I've mentioned this before. I usually like to wet my sponge with warm water. Actually, sometimes hot. I try to get it as hot as I can just because it helps with better blending. I didn't even let this concealer really dry down, and it dries very fast. So I'm having to work a little bit harder. The Beauty Blender is blending, so I can't really complain. Okay, to set, I'm gonna be using my same old Maybelline Fit Me. You guys already know the drill. You already know. You already know. I've really been enjoying setting my under eye using a brush. I used to do it way back when, and I don't know why I stopped, but now I'm back. I feel like it's always good to just change things up every now and then, you know? I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in Mocha Mami. And, oh, what did I just do? can just use it as blush too. Might as well. Going back into that Ofra and Francesca Tulip palette, I'm going to take this shade right here called Veneza. Popping that in the inner contour. Oh, that's pretty. Guys, look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Yes, I know I'm overly bronzed. We all know at this point. Let's move on. Move along, shall we? You guys, I've been loving this Beauty Bakery liner. It's their Lollipop liner, and it is so flipping good. I love the packaging. I love the way it glides on. It's felt tip. It's black. It's all the things, man. Got a little liner happy there, but that's okay. Perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am loving this soft look. Press and roll, and it just kind of helps to lay things down once you have sprayed that setting spray. Next, I'll be using my mascara, same old Maybelline Great Lash. You know the drill. And I like to apply a little dot to the very center of the lower lash area because my lashes are pretty non-existent in that region. Actually, my lashes are pretty non-existent, period. So I use this to accentuate the lower lash area a little bit better. For highlight, I'll be using that same Veneza shade. I'll be using these Tati lashes in a style TL4. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a perfect summer look. Okay, I'm really too excited, but it's so freaking awesome, man. Okay, I hope you know a glossy lip or at least a shiny lip is gonna have to go with this. That's just standard procedure at this point. I'll be using Mented number 5 from Mented Cosmetics. This is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, my hand is so ashy. It's because of when I was wetting the blender, I promise. This look is that girl. She is that girl. Everybody else go home. Just go home. Bye. So now that we have the finished look, which I freaking love, and it's so summery and bronzy and just and the lip just ties it all together. Okay, about this beauty blender, some of y'all gonna hate me for what I'm about to say. It's overpriced. I'm sorry. Like, I still feel like it's overpriced. There was nothing spectacular about the experience. Low-key, that Shop Miss A Pawpaw Charity Sponge is it. However, even if you were to purchase it, I'm not sure if it would be close to this just because, again, their issues were inconsistencies. I don't know if they fixed that now. Will I buy another one of these? Probably not. It's just too much money, and I have a ton of Shop Miss A sponges that are literally just sitting there, and they were like $1.20 something, or even were they even, I think they were cheaper than that, like $1.50 or something like that. I will tell you though, if there are companies that can sell their sponges for $3, $2, $1 something, you already know Beauty Blender is making a huge profit with just one blender that they sell. So gotta give it up to them, man. That's good business. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that is good business. But yeah, I don't see myself purchasing it anytime soon. I'm sorry. I know there's some Beauty Blender stands out there, but just the way my pocket is set up though. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this summery bronzy look. I am so feeling this. If you're not subscribed, please be sure to do so, and also hit that bell. Make sure you have all notifications clicked so you do not miss any of my uploads. You can also follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'm at Youkeyy_YOUKEY_. If there are any products you guys want me to check out on my channel, please let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you for hanging out with me once again, and I hope to see you in the next one. Lord willing, stay blessed. Bye.